My name is Dennis Lally. I'm with the Hugh Cunningham Company here in Dallas, Fort Worth, and we are the local representatives here for the Bradley Corporation, manufacturers of the Advocate Lavatory System. We're here today to just go over the soap system and the soap system, the maintenance, and the prepping of the soap system for you right now. All right, there's a few major components to the soap system for the Advocate. Number one, there's the spout that holds your sensor, your soap tubing, and your soap level sensor inside. This goes down into the tank, and as you're filling your tank with soap, this float will come up, and when it's about 85% full, it'll send a beep out, a chirp, to let you know that you can go ahead and stop filling it up right now. As you'll see on the label here, they do suggest a viscosity of 2,500 CPS or less. So make sure that your soap is thin enough that it'll go through the tubing that we provide. The next big component is the actual solenoid itself, which fits up underneath the sink, and the peristaltic tube. This tube actually is what's going to push the soap up and out of the spout. Your tubing hooks up to the top, to the bottom here. This goes into the soap tank itself. So the solenoid, when you activate your sensor, the solenoid is actually pushing a plunger onto this tube, and it's forcing soap out and out the spout. This is located underneath, and I'll show you where it is. You'll find your plug-in transformer right here. You can see your blue soap tubing going up to your spout. Your peristaltic tube is right in here behind. You can push this gate up and open it, and that allows access to that tube. Now let's talk about a brand new system where you've just installed it and you need to prime the soap pump itself. Okay, first of all, let's not put any soap in it. Let's just come up here to your soap dispenser and let's put a couple of cups of warm water in there, okay? Once you have your soap, your warm water in there, you can simply take your hand and put it underneath the sensor. It's alive right now, and we're going to go into what we call the priming mode. And the longer I keep my hand here, you'll hear it go into the priming mode, where the solenoid is going to operate over and over again for about 30 seconds. A quicker method that I have found, instead of holding your hand up there in the priming mode for 30 seconds waiting for that water to come up, is to simply come down here to where the peristaltic tube is. Open the gate, open the door, and then just give a push on the peristaltic tube for a while. And you'll see then that your water or your soap will start to come through. You can see the drip in the soap. Once you have that primed, then close the door, and you're set to go. Then simply fill up your fill the soap in here with a funnel until you start to hear a chirp,